Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds and
John Deeds
here at the Deeds Group at Remax, and we are back with 60 seconds or less. As you recall, it is a challenge for me to answer your real estate question in less than 60 seconds or faster than John can. What are we doing today?
Chug a Pepsi.
You think that's a Pepsi? Is it Pepsi?
Sure.
I don't know if that...
It's Pepsi in our Supreme Lending koozie.
Do you see how we just changed the subject? Shout out to Bob and Karen, Supreme Lending. Thank you for our koozies and our goodies and for always taking great care of our clients. So 60 seconds or less today, the question is, what is the difference between an appraisal and an inspection? Those are two different things we have to do during a real estate transaction. So I'm going to talk about what those are. And I think because I have past experience, 18 years with this man, I have a feeling I'm going to lose today, but I'm up to the challenge. Ready? Okay.
I'm ready.
Because I have to start my timer. On your mark, get set, go. Okay, so an inspection, it was very loud. An inspection is where we have an inspector come in and you pay the inspector as the buyer to come in and do a whole once over on the house. He is going to run the HVAC system. He's going to turn on the oven and check the temperature. He's going to run all the plumbing lines. He's going to just check all of the maintenance systems in the house. Okay. There's a lot of people who will say, did the house pass inspection? There's not necessarily a pass or a fail. Every house, even brand new construction, is going to have things that I just want to see how full it is, are not perfect, right? So I only have 19 seconds left. I lose today. Anyway, the inspection is, what is the buyer comfortable with in the house? What are we going to negotiate with the seller to fix? And I cannot finish this one. I'm sorry. I totally lost today, but I will still tell you. Inspection is having the house looked at. Is the buyer comfortable with the maintenance systems in the house? The appraisal is ordered by the lender, also paid for by the buyer. It is the determination of value. There is a licensed appraiser who goes out, pulls comparable sales around, and he determines value. So inspection is maintenance, appraisal is value. I could have just said that in 10 seconds and won.
Right. Drinking Pepsi that fast at 9 o'clock in the morning is tough.
I love you. Okay, so welcome or not welcome. Come on back the next time because these just get more and more entertaining. So we cannot wait to see you and see what will John have to do next, and will I ever be able to answer a question in less than 60 seconds? If you have real estate questions or if you have a fun challenge for John and I to do on our next episode, please let us know. Thanks so much.